you are struggling to get views on YouTube, then this short that gave me 1.9 million views will open your eyes, because I did something that a lot of small creators are ignoring. This short that give me 1.9 million views is not luck. It's something that I did that a lot of small creators are not paying attention to. That is why their views are stuck at 0 views. And remember, this formula is applicable to both faceless and face channel. What I did was, I go straight to that video. I check the analytics. So before I start that, let me show you how the shorts was performing first. Go to reach. Now this is the reach. You will not think I did bot or promotions. If you look at how viewers find this short, you will see that this short feed, YouTube search, suggested video, YouTube, other YouTube features and others. So this is how people find this. Then let's see how people engage on this short. Now let me show you the 24 hours of that short when I uploaded it. You can see how flat this line is. The line was so flat. This short did not do well. Now if I click here, you will see that this same short gave me 2.3k subscribers. For those of you that are looking for subscribers, YouTube is currently pushing out short. So I suggest that you hook on short. Use short to get your 1000 subscribers. Now let me show you exactly what I did to help this short to get this view. Let's go to YouTube Direct. So the moment you upload your video and you find out that the video did not do well, you should know that one thing can be the problem, either the caption or the thumbnail you use on that video. People get attracted by what they see, especially what grab their attention. That is what they get attracted to. So, and the first 2 to 3 seconds of that video also matters, especially short. What I did is that I come to this place. When you come to this place, it will show you edit. I edit the thumbnail I use for that shot, this pencil icon here. So when the thing has finally opened like this, you look for this. Another smartest part of that shot is the part I choose. So if you want to put caption on it, what you do is come to this alphabet, click on it, write whatever you want to write, you save it here, done. That is it. You save it. Then you come again to the title of that video. In the title I used, then I now put another. The work I did for this short was not much. It was just simple logic that I used for this short, and that has helped the short do well. The short has given me so much. When it comes to money aspect, it has given me a lot of money. Now let's say use video that you want to change thumbnail. Let me use this video. I want to change thumbnail on this one. So what you do is that you come to this 3 icon here, you click on it, you click on edit, this place. So this thing will take you to this place. You will see this box, this blue box here. You click on it. So once you click on it, it will show you all these places. You say custom thumbnail. You come to this place and click custom thumbnail. This will take you straight to your gallery. Bring you straight to your gallery. All you need to do is that just pick the thumbnail you want to use for that video. So the moment you finish, you click save. And if you save like this, everything is automatically saved. So you click save. Then you want to change the title that the video use. You come to this same pencil icon here, click edit. So once you click edit, you just put your pencil here and clean. Let's say I want to write something, just clean the title that is there already. You can say get more views. Like that. Let me just leave it like this. I'll just click another save here, save. That is all. I did not do much. All I did was change what I already have, then the video pick up. Why? Because the thumbnail I used first and the title I used was not really working well with people. So that changes everything. So the next thing I did is that I shared the thing to my community. Click on this place. I share it to my community. So I copy the link. I've copied the link. So I go straight to my community. For those of you that don't know how to activate their community, that are not using their community is very important. This is another place you can get visibility to your videos. another place people can still watch your videos. All you need to do, if you want to activate it, you come to this place, say edit channel, you click here. Once you click here, it show you community. As this one is now, it's on. Once you click it, if you have not activated, it's going to look like this. So what you do is that just toggle it on. As you toggle it on, it's already settled. That is it. So my video, I'll just take you to community. I'll come to this place, I'll click. This place is say what is in your mind. All I will need to do is just paste my hand like this. It will come up here. I just click and paste the link of that shot. So once I click post, the shot is automatically set. It will enter. Then let me just click on it so that you see what I'm talking about. This is the shot. It has appeared here. So this place now, people can still come here and watch it. So through this place, I can also get traffic to this shot. I can also get visibility for this shot. So people can still watch this shot through this place. So if you are not making use of your community, try and make use of your community. Activate your community so that you can share a lot of things, share posts, share videos. This is another place you can get visibility to your channel. It's very, very important. So that is one of the things I did for this shot. Now, one thing you should understand is that the moment you upload your video, YouTube will share your video to a small number of people, and YouTube watches the reaction of those people. If they click on the video, did they watch on the video, or did they interact on that video, or did they stay long on that video? And if these people do these things complete, YouTube promote that video to more people. And if they did not do that, if they did not interact with the video, and they did not click that video, or they click on that video and click out immediately, YouTube pause the recommendation of that video. So that was what happened. If your CTR is low, it's just telling you that your thumbnails or your title is not resonating well with people. Now, average view duration is low. It's just telling you that people are just clicking in that video and clicking off. Either your hook was not captivating enough, it did not people's attention immediately. So what you do is that you learn your lesson from there. Then the next video you want to create, you improve more. But when it comes to CTR, it's currently telling you that your title and thumbnail is not resonating well with your people. So please, you go back to your video. Those shots, those videos that you think that have died, that they can't get view again, especially the one that are still within 24 hours to 48 hours. Change the thumbnails of those videos and change the titles. So if you find value on this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye bye.